Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to set nickname in Instagram chat. First, open your Instagram app as you can see on your screen, and then tap on the DM, which is the messenger icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then here you will find all your chats on your messenger. Now if you want to set nickname, just need to choose a chat, and from here tap on the profile name at the top, and here basically you'll find an option saying change name and photo, so tap on that and a message shows up here, change name, change photo, and cancel. So we're gonna tap on change name. So from group 1 we're gonna change it to new group 2, and there you go. That's how you basically set nickname and Instagram chat. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.